Okay, O'Hagan Watchmakers back on this SKX. So, this is the new movement. I've removed the day dial from the original movement here and placed it on this one. And the day and the day and the date are working fine. You have to remove a little C clip here, which I removed with my hand removal tools, my Horatech hand removal tools. And I think it would have been better to do it with a very small screwdriver. Not quite sure I like that I left some marks on the inner part of the dial, or inner part of this piece. I mean, it works fine, it's going to look fine, it's not going to be an issue. I also replaced the movement holder, so the black movement holder has now been removed from the original and placed on here because it has a longer depth to it. It's probably 4 millimeters as opposed to maybe 2 or 3 on the gray movement holder. So that's why you have to replace that. That is really not at all enjoyable to do. You have to get these little clips here and here under the date, and really what should happen is that the date wheel should be removed, and you should go through all that to really do it right. But I didn't do that, so we're going to put the dial back on. I don't know that I'm going to set the hands because it can be a little nerve-wracking, but maybe I will. A little tiny piece of fuzz here. Just using a little bit of Rodico to try to pick up any little particles on the movement before I put the dial on. Every time I look, I see something else. Really do want to try to make it spotless. Rodico's a very good product. Looks good. Actual dial itself is the 4 o'clock goes. Dial feet insert into the movement holder here and here. So we're going to see how that goes. Let me just take another look here. My gloves have a little bit of lint on them, so I So let's check it here. Sure we can get a full revolution out of it. I'm just going to take a look at this off camera to make sure I don't have anything on the numbers or the day. But that's it. Now it's just a matter of setting the hands, which I think I'm going to do it now. Might as well.